What's up YouTube, it's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all a review of the Nike Dunk Low ceramic that just dropped. I'm gonna tell you why you should or shouldn't buy these shoes and if I think they're gonna go up in the future. Now make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video, because if you do have this shoe, or if you're planning on buying this shoe, or if you're not planning on doing any one of those, but just still stay tuned for the entire video. But if you are doing both of those two, this is gonna be very important. I'm gonna tell you guys where I see these going in the near future and if I think it's a good investment. Also guys, if you are new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, you feel me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button for more sneakerhead content, and leave a comment down below saying if you cop these or if you plan on copying these. Alright guys, let's get straight into this review. Comes in a standard Nike box, you feel me? Now I did pick up a size 9. You know what I'm saying? Got a tuck back. Now off rip, bro, these shoes is pretty nice, bro. When I first seen pictures of these shoes, I was not feeling them at all. But in hand, these shoes are actually very nice, bro. Like from the looks of it, the suede looks really nice. I haven't felt anything yet, but the suede looks pretty nice just off of looks. And as you guys can see, we have a nice olive green tone on the laces, a nice olive green on the check, in the back heel tab, you feel me, where it says Nike. Now, of course, I'm gonna hit you guys with some B-rolls, you know what I'm saying, get some nice little up-close looks at these shoes. All right, so I'm finna feel the suede. Now, I wouldn't say the orange is a suede. It's kind of more of like a nubuck material. It's not like a suede like that. Now, let's see what the black is. The black is more of a suede, but it's not any type of buttery suede or anything that sticks out to me. But as you guys know, dunks are very hyped right now, so any type of dunk, it doesn't matter what the colorway is. If the materials are nice, bro, dunks are just bound to go up. So I do see this as a good investment shoe, and the reason I say that is because these are really nice in hand, bro. Like I can see a lot of people getting a liking to this shoe and people trying to wear this shoe, pull it off in any way they can, because this is a really nice shoe in my opinion. As you guys can see, the heel of the shoe is a vibrant orange, and the outer materials of the shoe it's not as vibrant as the heel or the inner. Nice colors either way. This shoe, like I said guys, I see this shoe going up. Now at the moment, these shoes are sitting at around $220 to $300 on average. That's for like all sizes. And in the future, I see these shoes possibly hitting $350 to $400. Possibly, maybe in a year's time, if you do end up holding these shoes, I would say maybe $350 to $400, because they are going for around $220 to $300 right now. And I mean, dunks are just a good investment in my opinion, guys. You know, dunks, if you guys look at all the past releases, you know, good decent colorways, they have gone up. And I see these shoes going up a good amount. And not anything crazy, but you know, depending on the size, I do see them going up a good amount. Now in the best sizes, I do see them hitting maybe that 400 price range, close to that 400 price range. And maybe the less sought after sizes, probably that 350 price range, 320, something like that. Because right now the less sought after sizes are going for around 220 to 230. I see these shoes going maybe at least $100 in the less sought after sizes, and that's really not nothing for dunks, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys both of the shoes in here. So here's both of them. And guys, in the comment section, let me know what you guys think of these shoes. Do you think these shoes are a cop or a drop? Because I was not feeling this colorway at first, like I said, guys, but now that I see them, bro, I would definitely I would definitely cop one of these, bro. I'm not even gonna cap with you. Yeah, guys, let me know if you guys hit this shoe, or if you feel like you would cop this shoe and try to pull it out, try to wear it, because I would definitely try to wear this shoe. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did hit on these shoes, make sure you leave down below in the comment section saying that you did hit. It's been your boy, and I'm out.